Is your Windows 11 screen blurry or fonts not looking sharp? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix blurry skin and text issues in Windows 11 step by step. Let's make your display crystal clear. Step 1. Right-click on Start menu. Click on Settings. On left menu bar, click on System. Click on Display. Here in Scale, click on Recommended Ratios. In my case, 100% is recommended. In Display Resolution, you can check with different ratios. I'm selecting 2560x1440. Click on Keep Changes. Now close Settings. Step 2. Click on Search. In Search type Advanced System. Click on View Advanced System Settings. In System Properties, go to Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on Settings. Select Adjust for Best Appearance. Click on Apply. Then OK and OK again. Step 3. Click on Search. In Search type ClearType. Click on Adjust ClearType Text. Again, click on Adjust ClearType Text. Now uncheck Turn on ClearType and check again. Click on Next. Select the best appearance here. Click on Next. Best one is selected. Click on Next. Click on Next and best one will automatically selected. Click on Next and then click on Finish. Close Settings. Step 4. Right-click on Start menu. Click on Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right-click on your display adapter and click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the next available driver. Click on Next. Click on Close. Close Device Manager. That's how you'll fix the blurry skin in Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.